Welcome, today in front of me Realme C21Y, and I'll show you how to enable ringtone volume on this device. So first you should go to the settings app, and now just go to the sound section. Here you get the ringing notification volume. Just to enable your ringtone volume, swipe this dot to the right side with your finger, and as can you hear right now, our ringtone volume is set up. And just the second way, that's just here press with your finger on the right side of your phone on the up or down volume button, that doesn't matter, and go here to the settings icon, and by the same way swipe with your finger this dot to the right side and tap to down to save your changes. So that's how it looks. If you find this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.